Every time I need to make a presentation, I waste the first hour just setting it up. Picking a template, fixing the font sizes, moving text boxes around, realizing the layout looks off, starting over. The actual content takes 20 minutes. The design takes forever. And if you've ever had a last-minute pitch, a sudden client meeting, or a deadline that showed up out of nowhere, you know that panic where there's just no time. I found a tool that completely solves this. Zero to a business-ready, professionally structured deck in minutes, and the output looks like a designer made it, not an AI. Let me show you exactly how it works. Go to Doki.ai, links in the description, and sign in. The dashboard is clean, no clutter. You'll see a prompt bar front and center asking what you want to create. That's where everything starts. Let's not do a generic test. Let's build something real and useful right now. In the prompt field, type. Create a 10-slide presentation for a freelance content creator pitching their services to potential brand clients. Include a hook slide, services breakdown, case study slide with metrics, pricing options, and a CTA. Hit generate. And this works for any scenario: investor pitch decks, sales proposals, training courseware, academic research presentations. You describe the situation and Doki structures it accordingly. But let's watch this one build first. Watch the slide panel on the right populate in real time. Doki isn't just filling in placeholder text, it's actually structuring the deck logically. Hook slide first with a strong opening line. Services laid out across 2 slides, one for short form, one for long form. A case study slide with placeholder metrics already formatted into a clean stat layout. Pricing presented in a 3-tier card layout. And a CTA slide with a bold headline and a space for your contact link. That's a complete pitch-ready deck from one prompt in under 30 seconds. Now let's review what came back. Click through each slide. Notice how the layout is actually clean. No overcrowded text, no misaligned boxes, no font size chaos. This is the part that matters most if you have zero design background. Doki handles all of that automatically. Look at the case study slide specifically. The stats are formatted as large display numbers with smaller descriptor text beneath, which is exactly how you'd want a metric slide to look in a real pitch. The hierarchy is correct without you touching anything. But here's where Doki gets genuinely different from other AI presentation tools. Click on the chat icon in the left sidebar. This opens the AI Edit panel. Instead of going into menus and manually adjusting slides, you just describe the change you want. Type. Make the hook slide more punchy. The headline should be a bold statement, not a question. Hit send. Watch Doki rewrite just that slide. The headline changes, the supporting text adjusts to match the new tone, and the layout stays intact. You didn't touch a single menu. Now type. Change the color palette to something dark and premium. Deep navy background with gold accent text. Send. Every slide updates simultaneously. The navy background replaces the default. The accent colors shift to gold. And the font contrast adjusts automatically so everything stays readable. That's a complete visual rebrand of the deck in one chat message. Let me show you the precision editing option too, because sometimes you want to click into one specific element rather than describing it. Click directly on the services slide. A sidebar opens on the right, showing all the editable elements on that slide. Headline, body text, image, background. Click on the body text block. You can now edit the copy directly, change the font size, adjust the line spacing, or swap the layout style from the drop-down. This is the Click Menus mode, exact control without any prompting needed. Click the image block on that same slide. Hit Replace Image. You'll see 2 options, upload your own or let Doki search and generate one. Click Generate Image. In the image prompt field, type Professional Content Creator working at a minimal desk setup, warm natural light, laptop open, clean modern aesthetic. Hit Generate. 3 image variations appear. Click the one that fits the slide best and hit Apply. The image slots in with correct cropping and aspect ratio. no stretching, no repositioning needed. Now let's try a completely different input method, because Doki isn't just a text prompt tool. Click New Presentation in the top left. This time, instead of typing a prompt, click Upload File. Drag in a PDF, a Word doc, or even paste a URL. I'll paste in a link to a blog post. Doki reads the content, extracts the key points, structures them into a logical slide flow, and generates the deck. The slides come back already organized. Intro, key sections pulled from the article's headers, supporting detail on each slide, and a summary. This is the one that saves the most time for content creators. You write the article, you record the video, you paste the link into Doki and your carousel, or slide deck is done in under a minute. Click through the slides and check the structure. If a section feels thin, click into that slide, open the chat panel, and type. Expand this slide. Add 2 more supporting points from the source. Doki adds them in, keeps the layout clean. Now, let's export. Click the Export button in the top right. You get 3 options: PowerPoint, PPTX, PDF, or Shareable link. Click PPTX. The file downloads and opens in PowerPoint as a fully editable file. Every text block, every image, every shape is individually editable. Nothing is locked or flattened. If your client needs to make changes on their end, they can. If you want to fine-tune something in PowerPoint before sending, you can. But before you export, there's one more thing most people miss. Look at the Speech Draft tab next to your Slides panel. Doki doesn't just build the deck. It simultaneously writes a matching speech draft for every slide. Click through it. Each slide has a spoken script section beneath it. The talking points, the transitions, the key lines you'd actually say when presenting. For training sessions, educational courses, or client presentations where you need to speak confidently, this alone saves another 30 minutes of prep. You get the slides and the script in one generation. Export both. PPTX for the visual, PDF of the speech draft for your notes. Hit the shareable link option as well. You get a live URL. Anyone who clicks it can view the presentation in their browser with the animations and transitions intact. No PowerPoint required on their end. For client pitches especially, this is the cleaner way to send it. They click the link, the deck opens, it plays smoothly, done. One practical tip before you go. If you're using Doki for branded client work, click Settings in the left sidebar and find Brand Kit. Upload your logo, set your primary and secondary colors, and paste in your preferred font name. From this point forward, every presentation you generate will automatically pull those brand assets. You don't reset your colors every time. You don't re-upload your logo. It's locked in, and Doki applies it across every new deck. That's the full workflow. Prompt to business-ready deck, chat-based editing, precision click editing, image generation, file upload input, speech draft, PPTX and PDF export, shareable link. 0 design skills needed, 0 setup time, and fast enough to handle a deadline that shows up an hour before the meeting. Link to Doki is in the description. Free to get started. Build your first deck today. Drop a comment telling me what you used it for. And if you want more tutorials on AI tools that actually save real time, subscribe. That's what this channel is about.